Hey guys, it's Tamara and
Kaylee.
on College Starters, and today we are going to make pumpkin pie
With a twist.
in the microwave. Okay. So a few days ago we went to the store and we bought
All the ingredients.
7 ingredients.
Cue the music. Or
Cue the video.
cue the video.
Giant tank. You gotta do like a freeze frame. Like I gotta jump here and you gotta do a freeze frame. 2, 3.
No, are you serious?
Are you really doing it? Okay. 8 ingredients to make a pie in the microwave. We're gonna look at these so fucking weird. We could, but I don't have the lid. Right, sorry. I'm not gonna fit in the clip. I'm scared. I'm scared. Watch it like tip up. I'm scared. Yeah, I can't. Sit. I can't. Sit, child. I can't. Oh. Wait, you said you this. Oh, my ass hurts. Whoa.
I got it. Okay, we need cornstarch.
Oh, my gosh.
We're gonna definitely be making 5-6 pies because this is a lot of ingredients.
5, 6 pies.
You know, we got the cornstarch. We have oil. We got pumpkin, like an extra cake. We need 8 and then come on! Wait, what? I think this way.
Let's change this way.
Okay, show me. Yep.
Okay, well I want one of these. You almost hit Tanner, no?
Yeah.
I want caramel.
Come on, oh wait, that's another latte. Is that coming? The sheepy latte? Is that called?
Dos de leche.
Fifty latte? Those.
Oh, I want.
Yeah, I'll ask Google. Hey Google, what's dulce latte? Why are frogs so happy?
Leave it.
Sleeping, always sleeping. They eat everything that bugs them.
Alright, now we're ready.
Go ahead, take the card away. Is that what you're talking about? We got a giant card. It's not giant.
Here, just use my mom's number.
Your giant card has been accepted.
Thanks, Mom. Leave my phone.
It's funny. There you go. That's it. We're not done yet. Oh, 8! I almost forgot about the 8.
Yeah.
Sorry, Tanner. I'll give you money for gas. No.
Yeah. Ew, not my fucking. I just like, I'm literally against it. We have to get one that looks sad, so when we cut into it, it looks sad.
That looks weird.
We should get one that's painted, and then I'll feel bad when I cut into it. We should get the painted one. The thing though. Oh, this one is done. It's okay. He's done this. What you think? Tell us what you think in the comments.
What was your favorite part about it?
Mine was the cut G.
Mine was the whipped cream.
How about you, Ego?
What about you, bro?
No?
I like that too.
Okay.
Anyways,
Are you actually recording? Okay.
back to the thing.
Okay, where to start? Okay, so we're gonna make a pumpkin pie. The first step is to carve the pumpkin.
Yeah.
But all we have we have a cheese knife and a
grater thing.
grater thing. This is for the outside, so I don't know what we're gonna do with this. We also have some scissors.
What are you gonna use the scissors for?
I don't know. We also have this kind of knife thingy. This one will work. Just stab it. Just stab into it. Okay, go ahead.
Wait, are we stabbing it right now?
Yeah, we have to cover it.
We gotta name him.
We have to take the insides out.
What's his name?
His name is
What does he look like? Like
Miguel.
Miguel.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yo, you killing my son. My he, she,
Sorry,
daughter
Miguel.
thing.
Oh, this is the nasty part. We need.
We need paper towels. Oh, wow. Ew. So, do you guys remember the first time you carved your own pumpkin for Halloween? Are you ready for Halloween? Are you dressing up for Halloween? Yeah. Happy
Got
birthday,
20.
Cameron.
Got 25 days until Halloween.
First.
Okay.
So, wait, my tape.
Yep.
I'm gonna get
Got
my
it.
hands dirty.
Got it. We can do pumpkin seeds.
Ew.
Make
I feel so. I don't like this feeling.
I don't think nobody should like. We have this thingy. You can carve it with this.
After I put my hands in the goddamn thing. Let us know.
You gotta keep it secret.
Please let us know if it works for you, because we don't know if this is gonna work.
You are the one that's gonna get the hands ready.
Who?
Oh, you. Ah, it's not working. All that work did nothing. Okay. Ah! What's his name, Miguel? Bad Miguel. Okay, so in this little short break, we got some paper towels
And I wash my hands.
and an idea. So instead of trying to scoop out all this stuff,
Yeah.
we're just gonna cut into it.
Okay, like a watermelon.
Yeah, like a watermelon.
We love good watermelon. Oh my gosh.
Okay, we're just gonna.
Oh my gosh.
And then let's get this knife so I can cut this stuff off of it.
Oh,
This-
sorry, I'm
this-
like hurting you. Okay,
Yeah,
never
that's- this would probably come in handy. It does.
Uh-huh.
That's so nasty.
That's so good.
So nasty. Okay. So you want to cut up another thing?
I don't trust myself with a knife.
Okay, how about put like a trash bag
Newspaper.
or newspaper on the table just to make it more clean?
You can use everything else that it doesn't.
That's a smart idea. Flip it over. Flip it over and shave this part. Because this is the part we don't need. So why are we taking the long route?
Again, like I can't. I'm not a cook. I'm not made for cooking. I'm not made for being a chef.
We're not college Kiwi, don't make a mess.
I'm not trying to. I just don't.
No, the other way. Oh my gosh.
That's why you don't wear nails. This concludes the carving pumpkin. Oh,
Yeah, I think
carving of the
we
pumpkin
don't need this after.
of Miguel.
Miguel has been.
Next scene. And we're back.
We cleaned up.
Yep.
We realized,
We didn't have enough of Miguel over here,
which is so sad,
so we cut him up more.
and we got a lot more.
A lot, as you can see.
And
But Miguel's face is doing fine.
sorta.
Kind of. His eyes kind of messed
Yeah,
up. That's okay.
So what we have to do now? We're gonna put it in the microwave.
Instead.
Yeah, and to get it all soft and gushy, for us to beat it, and then
That is so bad.
our pumpkin pie will be ready. Well, halfway. You still have to put all the other ingredients in. So
Yep.
we're gonna go do that now.
So come with us to the kitchen. Hey Lucy, how are you today? Yeah, she likes to treat. This is our special guest. Meet Lucy. Lucy, meet YouTube. She has seven little toe things. 6 or 7 little things on her paws. See it? She's very unique. She's a little fat too. She's thick. We all love them.
Now we're gonna go and combine the other ingredients
In the mixing bowl.
in the mixing bowl, and then hopefully our pumpkin pie can be. Okay, let's go make this pie. Let's go make
Bye, Lucy. We'll be back in a bit.
Okay, so we have no measuring anything.
Because we're college students.
Yes, and who thinks about bringing measuring cups or measuring spoons to college?
Especially
You don't have
when
no
you got
microwave.
dining units here. You eat ramen all the time, so we don't really need to
You don't have a
measure
stove,
anything.
so it's not like you can bake a pie.
Right.
So we're doing.
We're gonna do something crazy and make it in the microwave.
Okay.
Ow.
We also, very important thing is we don't have.
Milk.
No, we have milk, but we don't have a can opener. So we
What the hell?
We have to figure out how to open this.
With a knife.
I don't think that's gonna work.
Why don't we have a can opener?
Because we're college students and we don't think about being can openers. The microwave went off, so we're gonna go
Check it out.
check it out. Okay, so this whole issue with the can.
I was thinking a knife. So we could try to poke a hole with the knife, and if it's liquid,
You want to try a knife
Should
or the
come out.
scissors? We're gonna have like metal in our milk.
yeah, don't be.
Nothing came out. I need to open it.
We know.
Okay, so I made the hole bigger and it's still
not coming out.
so. Ooh, we have to make a hole in the bottom. See, my logic is so much better. Dun dun dun. But we need a half a cup of whipping cream. We do not have whipping cream,
But
But-
we have whipped cream,
we have whipped cream,
so we just gonna use this instead of whipping cream.
and hopefully that works. We are just gonna wing it.
I mean, I like whipped cream, so we can put a lot in it.
It doesn't matter if you like it or not.
Is that half?
I don't know.
Is that half?
I think maybe a little bit more. Okay. Okay, that's that. Stop! No, I don't want some. Okay, well, this is still draining out. Our next ingredient is cornstarch. We need 2 tablespoons. Maybe it's teaspoons. I honestly don't know. We need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch.
1.
Okay, yeah.
2.
A little bit. Okay, I think that's good.
You can grab it and take it in here.
Well, I messed with my condensed
Okay,
milk.
wait till we leave.
Alright, come on. What's up, Lucy? You stopped it at 11 seconds? Okay.
Yeah, it was starting to smoke.
You're not. Oh, yep. This ain't even my microwave. I don't even live here. I live at Pennsylvania College of Technology. Ow, 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 ow.
This is the PlayStation.
Sorry, that was a little hot.
And it's
Pennsylvania College of Technology. As you can see, it works for my major.
I'll do this.
Pennsylvania College of Technology. Plug.
So we're gonna put this aside.
All right, I'm back.
We're gonna put this aside, and we're
This
going to now. Ooh, yeah, this stinks. We're gonna work on mushing the pumpkin. Okay. Okay. So that was only halfway done.
And Mike
So-
Wazowski only has one eye.
One eye.
If you haven't watched Monsters Inc.
What?
2000 Babies.
So we all should at least know what it is. Don't they have like a second one?
Yeah, they have like
Yeah,
a
it's the university one. I
Where they
thought
go
that
to college.
Yes.
Just like us.
But it's so different. Monster College and actual college. I think Monster College would be so much fun.
Do it.
He just
And he's
says
making us
everything.
do his, he's forcing us. He's not even paying us to do this.
Well, you're not getting paid.
He's not paying me to do this.
I am. The ingredients is just molasses.
Alright. I think that's good.
You think that's 2 tablespoons?
Oh my.
I do you think that's 2 tablespoons?
Yeah.
Okay, dump it. It's dripping!
Wait, is Molly still here?
Molly, who's Molly?
Yeah, duck. You didn't know her name.
Okay,
You know her son's name.
we technically have a whole bunch of sons. That's terrible. Okay,
You know, if you would have watched the Bloomsburg Fair, if you haven't,
there's another one.
watch it because
Molly.
we want our son Molly.
Molly.
Watch it before you watch this.
It's a
if you
female.
haven't watched
It's
this,
a male. I know it's it's a.
if you haven't watched this or watched the Bloomsburg Fair with me and Samara, watch it right now. Go
good.
off this YouTube video and watch it,
After-
and then come back.
Finish this YouTube video and then go back. Okay, back to we need oil.
Oh, right. Where's the oil?
Can you get the oil? It's behind you.
Can you
Nope,
pass-
that's soda.
That's pop. Is
It's
it
down
pop or
there.
soda? Do you call it pop or is it soda?
It's soda.
Comment down below and let us know what you think. I call it pop. She calls it soda.
Dun, dun, dun.
Thank you.
Okay, so we need
Ew,
2
it's sticky.
tablespoons.
You can get the last few ingredients.
Pour.
And then what you do is you gotta add this and this.
I'm gonna pour a little bit more.
What's this? We have to brown
Ginger
add
and
these.
cinnamon.
So we're gonna just do a dab of these.
The lid and everything. Okay, so we only need 1 teaspoon.
Was that good?
I don't
Should
know.
I add more? That smells so good.
I don't know what teaspoon. I know teaspoon's smaller than a tablespoon.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just gonna say that.
And more cinnamon.
Yeah, I was about to say, let's just.
Good job. And the next thing is the eggs.
We need 3 of them.
3 of them.
So Justin,
Can I get the eggs?
roll them.
Ah!
I got grabbers.
What if? Oh, that's a.
We know how to catch these eggs. You crack them like a normal person does. Crack them. Oh, just
Don't get all over the floor either. Okay, there's 2.
And this is the last egg.
Ew.
Oh. Nope, we're good.
So now we have our eggs. We have everything in it. The only
We
thing
just need Miguel.
Miguel. I guess so.
I mean,
So
Yeah.
stir it
it's
all
getting
up.
hard. Ooh. So fun fact. Me and Samara actually don't like pumpkin pie.
No, we don't.
I'm sorry for you pumpkin pie lovers out there, but we just don't.
It's
So we're
not
making
good.
this for Justin.
He's gonna eat all 6 baby pies.
All of them. And if he doesn't like it, he's gonna have to suck it up.
Suck it up, buttercup. So we're basically done.
We finished mixing.
We finished mixing
We're just gonna put the
batter now
batter
into these, into the microwave. It says to cook it for about an hour, so we're gonna do that. And when we come back, you'll see the final results. It'll be like a flash. Welcome back. Okay, so so this is how it turned out. We didn't put it in the microwave for an hour. We only put it in for like 20 minutes because it was gonna catch on fire.
Safety first.
Yeah. We're gonna have our director Justin come out and try it.
And in the meantime, as he comes out, be sure to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Comment down below what was your favorite thing about the video, and we'll have Justin come out. Alright, we have our producer, director here. Justin. Say hello to Justin, everybody. Justin, we made you these pies. You could give it a try.
Okay, let's try one out.
Is it good? How do you feel? 10. Give it a rate. 10 being the best, 1 being the worst.
No, it's actually pretty good. I guess a 7.
Well, I guess. Good job, Tamara.
Yeah, I guess so.
Proud of us. Thank you for watching. Join us next time.